Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 campaign offline. First, make sure your game is completely installed and all updates are downloaded while you still have an internet connection. This ensures you have every necessary file for a smooth experience. Once everything is ready, you can disconnect from the internet. Then, simply launch the game and select the campaign option from the main menu to begin your adventure without needing to be online. It's a straightforward process. Before you dive into the campaign offline, there are a few crucial steps to take. You must complete the initial game setup and download any required campaign content or updates while connected to the internet. This includes any day one patches or additional story elements. Think of it as preparing your mission brief. Once you are 100% certain that all downloads are complete and the game is fully updated, you can safely disconnect your device from the internet. This preparation guarantees a seamless offline experience. With your system now offline and the game fully prepared, launching the campaign is simple. Start Call of Duty Black Ops 6 as you normally would. The game will recognize that you are not connected to the internet and should present the main menu. From there, navigate to and select the campaign option. You will then be able to begin or continue your single-player story without any interruptions from network requirements. It's designed for you to immerse yourself completely in the narrative. Sometimes, even with the best preparation, you might encounter a small hiccup. If the game doesn't launch correctly offline, try restarting your console or PC. This often resolves minor software glitches. Also, if the campaign doesn't seem to load, briefly reconnect to the internet to check for any missed game updates, then go offline again. Finally, ensure your platform system software is also fully updated. These simple steps can help you get back into the action quickly and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.